Hey YouTube, what's up? Alright, so I have a mail call to do. This I am going to just say it's from a supporter. They asked me not to mention a name. So it's anonymous. It's a supporter. But I wanted to do an opening anyway. Woohoo! We got some bracelets. Woohoo! Bracelet. Oh, there's a box. There's a box. Oh. Oh boy, there's all kinds of goodies in here. Oh, these are cute. Those are cute. I like those. Very nice. Ooh, we got some blings going on. Very cute. Very cute. I like. And there's also another pair of earrings in here that look like they're like tiger eye, kind of. Very nice. Another set of earrings. Very cool, very cool. Thank you so much. There is a card in here. I'm gonna make you smile. It does. It makes me smile. It makes me smile. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. So, yep. We got some nice blings going on. We got some earrings, some necklaces, bracelets. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And I will see you guys later. Thank you. Love yous. And that's going to be about it for me right now. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.